Curious about what makes Livorno by Miranda Homes so unique? Come along for a closer look and make sure you watch to the end for details on the home and what's around Thonotosassa, Florida. let's talk about the Livorno from Miranda Homes. Now you have 4 different facades with elevation A, which is the Renaissance series. This is going to be a 4 to 5 bedroom, 3-car garage, 3 bathroom home, about 3,130 square feet. So this is the first facade, or the first set of facades. And then this is the second set. So you've got 4 different varieties here of how you want it to look. This is the floor plan. And you can see the flex space at the very front when we first walked in. And then you've got the formal dining room. You've got the 4th bedroom, the 3-car garage, and then all of this great room here with the big master and then that giant lanai. Now, the cool thing about Miranda is you have a number of different things that you can do as far as options. So you've got a 3-car garage with a workshop, side-loading garage, 2-car garage. You've got a master bedroom with a sitting room. There's just so many different things that you can do with the Miranda that that really, gives you a lot of options in how you want to do things. And remember, Graceland Estates is about 31 or 32 homes total, and all of them are 1 acre. So you're plenty far away from your neighbors. You have plenty of breathing room. You have the ability to put a pool. You have the ability to put a fence up. It's just a really cool situation. So if you're looking for a home in Graceland, if you're looking for a home on an acre, if you're looking for a home that is a little cut above a lot of the homes out there, this is going to be perfect for you. So where is Thonotosassa? If you're looking at the map and you've got Tampa right here, Thonotosassa is right here. Now you've got an exit off of I-4 that you can get to Thonotosassa, or you can come in off of 301 and 41. So you've got 41 here, and so 301 turns into 41 here, and this is all Greater Thonotosassa. There is not a lot to say about Thonotosassa, honestly. You're looking at about 15 to 20,000 people, so it's a small town, very small town, and it's very rural. If you look at it, if this is Greater Thonotosassa, all of this is just like land. Blackwater Creek Preserve. You've got a few things around it. Knights Griffin Road takes you into Lakeland. There's just not a whole lot there. So one of the things about Thonotosassa right now is that it is up and coming. They're starting to see a lot of new builds there, which means eventually you're going to see a lot more probably shopping and things to do. But right now, if you're looking for a place that's quiet and kind of a retreat, Thonotosassa is fantastic. You're a few minutes away from Tampa. So if you were to go from, let's see here, from right here to Tampa, like down around South Tampa, Tampa Heights area, you're looking at probably like downtown Tampa, you're looking at probably 20, 25 minutes or so, depending on traffic. I-4 traffic can be a beast. Now, as far as the housing market, Thonotosassa has comparable prices to Tampa. Average home values in Tampa have gone up to about $500,000 or so, as opposed to like Polk County, where Lakeland home values are around $350,000, $375,000. So that's neither here nor there. If you want to stay close to Tampa, that's great. If you're looking for things like where's the closest hospital, where's entertainment, the closest hospitals are going to be probably Advent Health in Tampa and Tampa General Hospital, which I'm familiar with both of those, unfortunately. I've been to both, and they're fantastic hospitals. Tampa General Hospital is a premier hospital. It is also a teaching hospital. It is connected with USF, and the USF Medical Group in Tampa. And so USF, the University of South Florida, they have a medical center. They have a medical teaching lab. And so they teach doctors. And if you go to Tampa General, there may be a time, if you're a patient at USF Medical Group, there may be a time where they come up to you and say, hey, can we use your case as a study for our students? So that's kind of cool. And that means that they're cutting edge, which is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. As far as entertainment goes, all of your shopping is going to be done primarily in like Temple Terrace, maybe New Tampa, somewhere's up in here, Tampa Palms area. I really don't see there being a whole lot of shopping in Thonotosassa for you. If you want to go to the movies, aside from like going to the grocery store, something simple like that, most of the time you're going to be heading into Tampa or into Lakeland. As far as nature goes, if you guys like biking, hiking, that kind of stuff, the closest thing to you as far as Thonotosassa goes would be the Hillsborough River State Park, which I've camped there, I've hiked there, and the Hillsborough River is great for canoeing, kayaking, boating, and fishing. So you've got a lot of options there. Now, when it comes to things like pickleball courts and golf courses, pretty much you're going to be stuck going to Tampa or Temple Terrace or going out to Lakeland, Winter Haven, maybe even Brandon. But Thonotosassa does not offer a whole lot as far as those things go. So that's pretty much, Thonotosassa in a nutshell. And by the way, kind of a little thing, odd thing that you may want to think about. The word, and I didn't even know this. This is kind of cool. The word Thonotosassa is an Indian word for flint place. So, you've heard of flint and steel or flint arrows or flint spears. Evidently, there's a lot of natural flint in and around Thonotosassa, which is kind of cool. I grew up here. I was born and raised in Florida, and I had no idea what that meant. I just knew it was a cool name. So if you're thinking about moving to Florida, if you'd like to take a look at one of the homes that Miranda has, or if you'd like more information on the area, whether it's Thonotosassa, Tampa, Lakeland, Winter Haven, just let me know. All of my information is in the description below. And if you really want to get a hold of me quickly, you can either go to talkwithvince.com and fill out that information, the registration there, and that will let me know that you want to have a conversation with me. It'll give me a little bit more information for me to go by, and then I'll get in touch with you. Or if you need me right now, you can call me at 863-220-8260, and I'll give you a call right back if I don't answer the phone. Anyways, hope you guys had a lot of fun with this video. Hope it taught you something about Thonotosassa. And if you can, like, subscribe, share, and click that little bell icon so you'll know when the next video comes up. You guys have a great one, and we'll see you on the next video.